Hey there, you are watching Day2Day Instincts. Today, I'm going to show how to prepare a butter bread toast in 5 minutes. The ingredients for making this dish includes tomatoes, onion, chilies, carrot, curry leaves, oil, mustard seeds, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, butter, bread, and at last, salt. Now let's get started. Start chopping few tomatoes as shown here. Later, chop few onions. Continue to chop few chilies. And add few curry leaves. Slice small pieces of carrot as shown. Pour 2 spoons of oil of your choice. As the oil warms up, add few black mustard seeds into it. First add curry leaves into the hot oil, continued by chili and onion. Stir all of them for 30 seconds. Then add tomatoes and continue to stir for 2 minutes. Add salt as per your taste and stir it. Later add 2 spoons of chili powder. Half spoon of turmeric powder. And 1 spoon of garam masala. Continue to stir for 1 minute. Voila, the paste for your toast is ready. Now, take another pan, keep it on the stove, and lighten it up. Take the butter in the spoon, and spread it over the pan. Place the fresh bread on the pan, and fry it on both the sides, as shown. Once completed frying, roll over the paste on the bread. That's it. Enjoy your Indian-style butter bread toast. Well, if you like the video, hit thumbs up. Subscribe, if you haven't subscribed to this channel. This is Darshan, signing off. Keep watching Day2Day Instincts. We'll meet you all in next video.